Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you a brief comparison of Builder.io and FlutterFlow. Now both of these low-code and no-code platforms can be accessed on your browser. Just type in Builder.io or FlutterFlow.io on your URL bar right here, whether that's on your computer or your mobile. So in today's video, we're going to be comparing both of these platforms based on 6 major factors, namely purpose, their key features, what they're best for, pricing, ease of use, and integration and customization. So without further ado, let's dive right in, starting with Builder.io. So first up, the purpose of Builder.io is that it is a visual CMS and headless website builder that allows teams to create and manage front-end web experiences with a drag-and-drop interface, integrating with existing frameworks like React, Next.js, and Shopify. As for FlutterFlow, it's a low-code app development platform that's mainly focused on building native mobile and web apps using Flutter, Google's UI framework. All right, so let's try to go deeper into their key features. So for Builder.io, it has, or rather, it's basically a drag and drop website and web app builder. So right here, you can see the sample preview of the user interface. This is their visual editor. And it also works with existing code bases such as React, Vue, Angular, and Shopify. It's a headless CMS for content management. It also has an API-first approach for integrating with backends, as well as dynamic personalization and A/B testing. All right, so let's move on to FlutterFlow. FlutterFlow, on the other hand, is a no-code Flutter app builder for iOS, Android, and web apps. So you can see here some sample codings. And it has a drag and drop UI as well with custom Flutter code support. And it has backend integration with Firebase, Supabase, and REST or REST APIs. It has state management, animations, and logic workflows, as well as direct export of Flutter code and deployment options. All right, so what exactly are these two platforms best for? So Builder.io is best for developers and marketers who need a visual content management and web design tool that integrates with existing web frameworks. All right, so for FlutterFlow, on the other hand, is more for those mobile app developers and non-technical users looking for a low-code way to build and deploy Flutter-based apps. Now let's try to compare the pricing of both of these platforms. So starting with Builder.io, there is a free tier available if you want to check that out, but their paid plans usually start at $19 per month for advanced features. Now, for FlutterFlow, it also has a free for basic features or free feature, or rather a free plan, if you may, but it only has limited features. As for their paid plans, they start at around $30 per month for custom code, API integrations, and advanced features. Now, in terms of ease of use, for Builder.io, Builder.io is designed for web designers and marketers, allowing visual page edits without coding, but still developer friendly. On the other hand, FlutterFlow can be a bit more technical, suited for mobile developers and startups, though it simplifies Flutter app development compared to coding from scratch. Now, lastly, for integration and customization, Builder.io integrates with React, Next.js, Shopify, WordPress, and custom APIs. As for FlutterFlow, it connects with Firebase, Supabase, Stripe, and custom REST APIs, allowing for deeper app logic customization. All right, so in summary, you should choose Builder.io if you need a drag and drop headless CMS and visual web builder that integrates with existing frameworks like React or Shopify. Now, if you're building native mobile apps and want a low-code way to create Flutter-based applications without starting from scratch, then of course you'd best be choosing FlutterFlow. But both tools enhance development efficiency, but Builder.io focuses on web content and design, while FlutterFlow is tailored for mobile and web app development using Flutter. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.